So hey friend, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can convert GPS coordinates to address without using any software or without actually knowing the address. Now in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the browser you have. For example, if I open the Google Chrome browser, and here I have to search for GPS dash coordinates .org. You can see the right URL over there. Just simply go to this website and wait for it to respond. Now here it will ask you to upload the coordinates, and once you upload the coordinates, will automatically you can see it says get address. Let's just simply select any of the coordinates from here. There are multiple parameters that you can select, either from the dd, the decimal degrees, or the degree minutes or seconds, and just simply hit get address and it will provide you the exact address for that particular coordinate. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.